Yeah, Mom, I'm videotaping. I'm videotaping. It's a DBS. Oh, the stoplight. Yeah, we're gonna be able to hear it go. My Mom, stop. You don't want to hit it. Oh, CL65 AMG. Mom, and the CL65 AMG was back there. Oh my God. Look at how the thing is beautiful. Oh, stoplight, yes.
Look at the Palace of Fine Arts in the background, girl. That's a classic San Francisco building.
Hell yeah. And a GTR, Nissan GTR. Oh my God, and an M5. Holy crap! I love it. Oh my God. That is insane. Mom, look at GTR up there. Holy. Mom. That is absolutely ridiculous.
I'm trying to catch up with you.
Cayenne.
I just lost it.
Yeah, we'll cross lanes. Yeah, you can. GTR. Oh, CL600. Oh, look at this. GTR and Aston Martin DBS. Right here. Holy crap. That is insane. Come on, here, go kind of slow past this thing. Cayenne GTS. Here, go. Go past it. Oh my God. Holy crap, dude. That is amazing. Golden Gate Bridge, baby, San Francisco. And an insane M3 over there. GTRs in the background. On the stop sign. Alright guys, there you go. I'll get you another video in a minute.